This drawing is so cute, and it's super easy to follow. What should we draw next? Comment below! Don't forget to subscribe for more simple and fun drawing ideas. I love how simple this drawing is. Anyone can do it. Wow! Isn't it amazing how this drawing comes together step by step? Each step makes this drawing even more adorable. Don't you agree? Let's start coloring and bring this drawing to life. Now we'll add some bright colors. This is the fun part. What should we draw next? Comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss out on new adorable drawings. If you enjoyed drawing with me today, please give this video a big thumbs up. Your support means so much and helps me create more fun and easy tutorials. Thanks so much for watching.